series of violent attacks that we saw in Amravati breaking out, and now today the situation a little bit under control. We are being joined by the politicians as well, who have now come here to Amravati, where they are taking stock of the situation. I'm being joined by Navneet Rana herself. Let me go across to her itself. Ma'am, the situation is a little bit in control, but we saw a series of violent attacks that broke out yesterday. Why did that happen? And also, there's a lot of political conspiracy going on about who was starting it and who had categorically planned these attacks as well.
See, first of all, nobody has planned for something specified. The situation is actually automatically created, and it was happened. And for that, the second day, whatever happened yesterday, we were regretting that it should not happen the first day what happened. And the second day situation went through our hands. We cannot even control being a member of parliament. And the intelligence people has got failure here. The department had got failure because huge crowd coming together on the road. They actually the intelligence it was the work of this department to handle this situation, but they could not handle it properly. And whatever yesterday happened, it was shame for the people who are leading this district as a leaders, as a politician, and few people, few political. If I talk about the guardian minister who belongs to Amravati, who is a guardian of this Amravati district, she gave some few statements who was creating all this situation into another situation. It became a bad situation what altogether if we see. And Sanjay Raut, the member of parliament who are colleague in Rajya Sabha, he's talking, he's sitting somewhere outside of my city and my district and talking about our district and talking about our people, talking about what is happening in Amravati. It is actually not fair. We have not invited anybody from out to talk about our district because this is the thing happened first time after so many years. So
yeah, that's very interesting that you're saying that nobody had actually planned this and that it situation did get out of control. And your words when you said that it is an intelligence failure as well. So what is being done to control this situation, and also the political posturing that is being done? As you said, Sanjay Raut stated a lot of statements. Also, Dilip Valse Patil and several other politicians have stated that this is the BJP trying to do all of this. This is the other right-wing organizations trying to create this kind of a ruckus.
see, I first of all think we should not talk about any political people. Now this is very important to talk about my people who are in Amravati for their security, how we can make them safe. This is the thing on which we have to work. But this all people who are ruling this Maharashtra, they have only one agenda and only one line to talk against of some party. For me, my important is कि my Amravatikar people, they should be safe, and I am working on that. I am continuing the touch of the Home Minister of State. I am in continued touch with the department. CP I am talking continue. We wanted extra force for Amravati. So we called extra force from Nagpur, from Hingoli, from other district to give security and to make Amravatikar safe. So we are working on that. I am not talking about any political parties. I have no thinking or some views about them. First is security of my Amravatikar.
Absolutely.